Please help me. I don't want to die. Hi, I'm Darla. My parents are out of town. I'm at home alone. It's night and I hear voices downstairs. I don't know what to do because I'm scared. And someone downstairs is calling me and says, Darla, come here. Don't be afraid. Come here. I feel like my heart is going to explode. I'm so scared. I immediately locked myself in the room and thought of calling the police, but I didn't have my phone with me. And my phone rang downstairs and that strange voice said to me, Darla, come here. You don't have to be afraid. If you don't come, I will come. Locking the door doesn't stop me, he said. Long version of the story is on my channel.